Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to discuss unit number 2, the champions of class 10. I am going to deliver you the summary or the short summary of the lesson. So be careful and listen carefully. In this unit, the champions, we are told about two boys, and that were Ahmad Ali and Gulsher. They were childhood friends. They were just like brothers. They were also classmates. They lived in Karachi. Ahmad was shady, dark, short, and husky. Gulsher was fair, lean, and lanky. Each of them had a dream of someday becoming a lightweight boxing champion of the world. To get their dream, they would strive hard day and night. They would take exercise and attend the boxing club daily without any break. Each had fought many fights and had won many medals. They were equally good boxers. The difference was in their boxing style. Wherever they had met in the ring for freely fight, it had always been hot and heavy contest. Once they were fighting from two different poles, and winner of the final was to represent the country in World Boxing Championship. Dear students, they had been informed that they were to meet each other in the final. They continued to run together, but even when joking with each other, they both had sensed that a wall was rising between them. One day, they met as usual for their daily exercise. Ali said, "I think we both got something to say to each other." They had been thinking about their fight. They both wanted to win, but only one of them could win. They knew that in the ring, the better man wins. Both of them thought all the night about the fight. This summary I have provided to you. It is the half lesson. I am going to show you some difficult words meanings. You can take screenshot of them. I am going to tell you and read the meanings. Impoverished, गरीब, लीन, दुबला पतला, लैंकी, लंबा, हस्की, मजबूत, चेरिश्ड, प्यारा, स्लगर, ज़र्ब लगाने वाला, मुक्काबाज, एलिमिनेशन, इखराज, एड्ज, किनारा या कोना, पर्पसली, जानबूझकर या किसी मकसद से, फिस्ट, मुक्का, घूंसा, नोडेड, सर हिलाया, टैप्ड, थपथपाया, ब्रैगिंग, शेखी बिखारना या तकब्बुर करना, डिपार्टेड, रुखसत हुए, जुदा हुए, परप्लेक्स्ड, परेशान, फिलफुल, फिटफुल बेकायदा, पीर्ड गौर से देखा, एक्सप्लोडेड ज़ोर शोर से, हाफ हंच्ड आधा झुका हुआ, लैश्ड ज़ोरदार हमला करना, स्नैप्ड धकेलना, डिस्पेल्ड मुस्तरद करना, ग्राउंडिंग गुर्राना, डिजी चकराना, डिसओरिएंटेड होशो हवास से निकलना, इवैडिंग गुरेज करना, इनसेन दीवानगी, फ्रेंजाइड जनून तारी होना, स्टंट हैरत ज़दा करना, सिवैजरी वहशियाना हालत. So dear student, once again I tell you that it's my advice that you should take screenshots of these words meanings. The other pages you must learn these words meanings, otherwise you can't understand the translation and you can't do the translation properly. Thanking you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.